Welcome to today's cooking tutorial. We'll be making a delicious bottomless quiche. This recipe is perfect for entertaining guests, as it serves a lot of people and keeps everyone happy with endless slices. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup flour, 1 tsp bicarbonate of soda, 3 eggs, 1 chopped onion, 8 rashers bacon, 1 cup cheese, 1 cup milk, 1 tsp Italian herbs. Instructions: 1. Begin by heating a large non-stick skillet over medium heat. When it's hot, add the bacon and cook until it's crispy. Remove it from the pan and set aside. 2. Next, crack 4 whole eggs into a bowl and whisk until they're well combined. 2. Then, combine 1 cup of flour, 1 tsp of bicarbonate of soda, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Mix it all together. 3. Pour the milk and Italian herbs into the bowl with the flour. Whisk for a few minutes until the milk has thickened. 3. Add the egg mix, chopped onion, and a generous amount of grated cheese to the flour mix. 4. Add the cooked bacon to the batter. 5. Fold the batter into the quiche dish and cook for 60 minutes in the oven or until the mixture is set and the top is golden brown. 6. Carefully invert the quiche onto a serving platter. You can use a spatula to gently pry it out of the dish. 7. Garnish the quiche with some cooked bacon, crispy onion, and fresh herbs. Serve it to your guests and let them enjoy the delicious top and bottomless design. And there you have it, a delicious bottomless quiche that's perfect for entertaining. Enjoy!